Your favorite series is here with another video on the adding too much ingredients to slime. And again, today we have a crazy lineup of ingredients to add a ton of into slime. Some of these turned out super satisfying and are so fun to make. So let's get sliming. The first ingredient are these foam cubes. They were cut from bigger blocks into a pile of small cubes and mixed into orange clear slime. Honestly guys, these cubes look so good in colored clear slime. They always look kinda yummy. But anyways, after mixing it in, the slime started sticking together and soaked up the slime until it just became this most dry, sticky ball. It broke apart pretty easily because the slime was just all soaked, but it was really satisfying to squish. It also made super nice popping noises and was really bouncy. Could probably play handball with this. Next up, these are Rhinestone Gems, which were stuck together for the aesthetic and then mixed into clear slime. Guys, these gems look so pretty. The way it reflected the light up was absolutely stunning. Hopefully it'll make a beautiful slime as well. So after mixing it in, the slime became this really awesome crunchy slime, which looks super pretty as well. The slime was at its crunchiest pops after doing a swirl and squish. Seriously, amazing poppy slime. And we'll probably use Rhinestone Gems again in more slimes. Next up are these pink Fishbowl Rocks, which will be mixed into jiggly water slime. So there are a ton of these rocks and usually you don't add so many into water slimes, but let's see how this turns out. So playing with it was actually really interesting. It was like a perfect mix between crunchy and jiggly, which is super fun. It had this really interesting texture when looking at it, kind of like looking at a big block of pink gemstones. This slime was actually lots of fun, especially squishing it, although sometimes the rock stabbed a bit from squishing a little harder, but it wasn't too painful. Up next is Kinetic Sand. I wanted to make it more satisfying, so the sand was shaped into a rainbow themed hearts pattern, which is really hard to make, but was super satisfying to complete. The slime was carved out one by one and there was so much sand, probably like 1 kilogram of sand. Now guys, originally a few colors were missing, so the red, orange and yellow kinetic sand was DIY'd and it dried up quickly and turned into rock, so I wasn't able to mix it in. It's time to pour the slime on top and mix the whole lot in. Ready guys? Here it goes. first, the sand was actually melting the slime, so it started to get to this watery texture which felt gross to play with. But then after adding a ton of activator to this big batch of misery, it started to slime up again and was really surprising because it turned into this super buttery, stretchy and clicky slime, unlike any other slime. The slime was so satisfying to play with. It also had this really tough texture from the Kinetic Sand. The color of the slime also turned out to be this pretty purple as well. Seriously guys, this slime was a whole nother level of fun. What do you guys think of this slime? Alright guys, this was adding too much ingredients into slime. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Which one was your favorite this time? If you enjoyed these videos, make sure to subscribe to stay tuned for more to come. See you in the next one. Bye guys, love you!